In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Vantage to MetaTrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to register with the broker, locate your login details, and connect that account inside MetaTrader 5 so you can start viewing prices and placing trades. First, open your web browser and search for Vantage Markets. You're looking for the official broker website. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the legitimate site by checking the URL and making sure it's secured. This small step protects you from lookalike pages and ensures your information stays safe. Once you've found the correct result, click it to proceed to the broker's homepage. On the broker site, choose the register option. This is where you'll create your trading profile. Registration with the broker is important because MetaTrader 5 itself doesn't create trading accounts. Instead, your broker issues you the credentials you'll use to log in from MT5. When you register, you'll typically be able to choose whether you want a live account or a demo account. Pick the type that matches your current goal, keeping in mind that demo is great for practicing in a risk-free environment. You'll now be asked to enter your contact details. You can register using an email address. Make sure you provide an address you can access right away, since brokers often send verification links or important account information there. Keep your inbox open so you can confirm anything they send promptly. If you prefer, you can continue the sign up using a phone number instead. In that case, watch for a verification code via text and enter it as instructed. Either option works. What matters is using accurate information so your account can be verified smoothly. After you complete registration, go to your MetaTrader 5 software. If you already have MT5 installed, open it now. If you're on a desktop, you'll see the main workspace with charts and panels. We'll connect your new broker account from here so MT5 can pull in the correct pricing and trading permissions tied to your profile. In the MetaTrader 5 interface, look for the Navigator panel. Inside that panel, find the Account section and click it to highlight it. If the Navigator isn't visible, it may be hidden. You can open it from the View menu. With Account selected, right-click on it. This brings up a context menu with the options we need. Choose Login to Trade Account to open the login window. In the login window, type your login. This is usually the trading account number issued by the broker when you registered or created your trading account. It may appear in your email or inside your broker's dashboard. Copy it carefully to avoid extra spaces, and double check that the digits match exactly. Next, type your password. Use the exact password provided or the one you set for your trading account. Keep this private and avoid typing it where others can see. If the platform offers an option to save the password, only enable that on a trusted personal device. On shared or public computers, leave it unchecked for security. Finally, choose the server. The server name corresponds to your broker's infrastructure and often indicates whether it's a demo or live environment. Use the server name exactly as provided by your broker and match it to the type of account you created. If you have multiple options that look similar, select the one that aligns with your account credentials. The correct server is essential. If it doesn't match, the login will fail even when the username and password are correct. Once the details are confirmed, MetaTrader 5 will connect to the broker. You'll know you're in when you see your account appear under Accounts in the Navigator and your balance and equity show up in the Trade tab. Quotes will start updating, and the connection status should display as active. If you see an error, recheck the login, password, and server selection and ensure any verification steps on the broker side are complete. That's it. You've registered with the broker, entered your credentials in MetaTrader 5, and selected the proper server so your platform can connect to Vantage successfully. Follow these steps carefully, keep your credentials secure, and you'll be ready to trade with confidence.